Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change region for trends on TikTok mobile. So first you just need to open up your app and then to go into your profile from that icon below, and then I want you to go into this three vertical lines, tap on them, and then I want you to tap on settings and privacy, then look for privacy, the second option on account section. Alright, here I want you to go into location services, tap on it, and turn the while using into never. So when you do that, they will directly send you into here. If they not, you just need to tap on open device settings, and on your device settings, go into app permissions, and here look for location and tap on it, and tap on don't allow. Okay, so now get back to your app TikTok, and then click on delete location history. So after that, I just want you to go to your phone settings and change the region. And after changing your phone's region, after doing that, uh, that will when you give back the location permission to TikTok, it will be directly applied on your TikTok app. So guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.